Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Chroma Key in Capcut. So what you have to do? First, you have to open Capcut, okay? And then here you will see new project option. Just click on new project. And now I'm going to, first you have to choose the background, okay? Which you want to use as a background, okay? In your video. Okay, now I'm going to click on add. Then what you have to do, here you will see overlay option. Just click on overlay. Now click on add overlay. Now I am going to choose this one, okay? Click on it and wait for a few seconds and it will add it. Okay, now you have to just fit to the screen. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to use Chroma Key on this video. Now you have to select this one and now scroll down. And here you will see remove busy option. Just click on remove busy and here you will see option Chroma Key. Now you have to just pick the color. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. Okay, now like this, just intensity 100%. No, not 100%. Just you can select like this. Okay, now shadow. Okay, select shadow to 12 and intensity to 50%. Okay, now I'm going to play it. So like this you can use Chroma Key in your video in Capcut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.